Hi there, students. Phrasal verbs with jump. Okay, to jump. He jumped in the air. Okay, so to jump at. To accept something with great enthusiasm. I would jump at the chance if I got it. He jumped at the offer. Yeah, because it was a really good offer. Yeah, if they offer me this position, this job, I'm going to jump at it. Yeah, I'm going to jump at it as soon as they offer it to me. So I'm going to accept it as soon, immediately and with a great deal of enthusiasm. Yeah. To jump about or to jump around. Well, the kids were jumping about. They were jumping around. Yeah, they were full of excitement. Boing, boing, boing. Yeah. The crowd were jumping around, or they were jumping about with excitement. I guess to jump when you are full of excitement. Okay, so to jump in. I think very often to enter something quickly. So I saw my friend walking home, so I stopped the car and said, jump in. Yeah, get in the car quickly. Yeah, because there are a lot of cars coming past. Yeah, come on, jump in. Please jump in. Intransitive. Okay, so to jump down. Yeah, he was on the top and he jumped down. Yeah, he jumped down from a high place. Is that phrasal? I suppose so. To jump on a bus. Yeah, so I jumped into my friend's car, but I jumped on the bus. I jumped onto the aeroplane. So to jump on is to board a vehicle, particularly a bus or a train. Also, this is saying to do it very easily. Look, I'll be with you in half an hour. I'll jump on a bus. I'll jump into a taxi. So notice in a car, but on a bus, on a train, on an aeroplane, on a ship as well. Notice if you jump on somebody, you attack them. It can be physically. The skinheads jumped on him. Yeah, you can see it. Boom. But also to attack verbally, to criticize strongly. Yeah, my mum's always jumping on me for the slightest little mistake. Come on, don't jump on me. It was only a little mistake. Yeah, if you get caught doing that, they're going to jump on you. The police have been jumping on this type of crime. So to deal with very severely. Yeah, let's see. To jump out. Okay, so to be obvious, to be special. So is there anything about this photo that jumps out, that you can see is obviously different, something that captures your attention immediately? Let's see, all of the candidates were very good, but the last one jumped out. Yeah, jumped out at me. Yeah, it was clearly and obviously the best. Okay, this I was looking through my bank statement and one unusual charge jumped out, so I had to ring the bank. Notice somebody so to jump up. Okay, the dog jumped up onto the table. Down boy, don't jump up. But also you've got a phrasal verb or a phrasal adjective, jumped up. If somebody's jumped up, it's like they've jumped to a higher position. They're very self-important. They're very pretentious. They think they're much better than they really are. Somebody who's gone from a low social position to a higher social position very quickly. So I've heard them say that Hitler was nothing but a jumped up corporal. Yeah, somebody who thought that he had much more importance. Yeah, he was much more honourable and greater than he really was. Yeah, if you call somebody jumped up, this is being critical, this is disapproving, this is saying they're not a very nice person. To jump in. Okay, so going back to jump in my car, jump in my car. You can also use this jump in, meaning to interrupt a conversation. I'm sorry to jump in, but the pub's closing now and you're going to have to leave. Or my two friends are having a conversation. Can I just jump in, intervene at this point, say something, interrupt you? And I think that's probably it. Okay, so to jump at the chance, to take it very, with great alacrity, very happily. He jumped at the offer. The kids were jumping around in excitement. Yeah. He jumped down from the top of the wall. Yeah. He jumped up from the ground to the top of the wall, but he's jumped up. He's self-important. I stopped and told my friend to jump in my car. Can I interrupt the conversation a second? Let me just jump in. Okay, to jump off something. I guess you're on something and you jump off. Jump on a bus, jump on a car. No, if you jump on a car, you jump on the top. If you jump in a car, you get inside it. But jump on a bus, an aeroplane, or a train. To jump on somebody. Yeah, I made a tiny mistake and he jumped on me for it. Is there anything special that jumps out? Is there anything special that jumps out at you? Is something that's obviously special or different? And I think that's probably it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Phrasal verbs with jump. Jump up, jump out, jump on, jump off, jump in, jump down, jump at, jump around.